A manufacturing marketing agency is not a consumer agency that also works with industrial clients. Manufacturing is its own world. The buyers are different, the sales cycles are different, and most industrial companies learn this the hard way after paying an agency for a beautiful website that nobody in their actual market ever visits. So, what should you actually look for when choosing a manufacturing marketing agency? Number one, they understand who actually buys industrial products. In manufacturing, you're not selling to a consumer with a credit card, you're selling to a procurement manager, a plant engineer, a head of operations. These people don't make decisions based on a clever ad. They make decisions based on specs, certifications, lead times, and whether your machine can run 8,000 hours without a failure. A general agency writes copy about innovation and industry leadership. Nobody in manufacturing cares. A real manufacturing agency speaks the language of the buyer. ISO standards, tolerances, throughput, MTBF, total cost of ownership. They understand what a plant manager actually loses sleep over. Ask the agency. Walk me through the decision making process at a mid sized manufacturing plant. If they can't, they don't know your buyer. Number two, they know how to market through long technical sales cycles. In manufacturing, a deal doesn't close in a week, sometimes not even in a year. There's an RFQ process, technical validation, site visits, pilot runs, procurement negotiations, multiple stakeholders signing off, engineering, operations, finance, sometimes the CEO. By the time someone's ready to buy, your name needs to already be in the room. A general agency optimizes for quick conversions, form fills, demo requests, phone calls. That doesn't work here. A real manufacturing agency builds long term presence, trade publication coverage, case studies your competitors can't fake, industry events, distributor and rep enablement. Technical content engineers actually save and share. The test is simple. Ask them, how would you keep us in front of buyers during a 12-month evaluation cycle? If they say more ads, they don't get manufacturing. Number three, they tie marketing to pipeline and revenue, not impressions. Industrial marketing is full of agencies that produce beautiful brochures, redesigned websites, and trade show booths, then disappear. Looks great, but did any of it bring in pipeline? Did any of it shorten the sales cycle? Did any of it help your reps close a deal they were going to lose? A good manufacturing marketing agency measures impact. Which content moved a prospect from RFQ to signed order? Which trade show generated qualified opportunities, not just badge scans? Which campaigns are bringing in target accounts versus tire kickers? They sit close to your sales team. They know your top accounts. They know which deals are stuck and what marketing can do to unstick them. Ask the agency. Show me a manufacturing client where you can trace marketing to closed revenue. If they show you a portfolio of pretty brochures, move on. So, three things to look for. 1. They understand your buyer, procurement, engineers, plant managers, not just the market. 2. They know how to stay in front of buyers through long technical sales cycles. 3. They tie marketing to pipeline and revenue, not impressions and design awards. This is exactly how we work at Otrenix. We provide B2B and industrial marketing services for companies of any size, from startups to enterprise. Strategy, demand generation, product marketing, AI visibility, LinkedIn outreach, and content marketing. We don't chase design awards. We build marketing systems that put your product in front of real industrial buyers and bring in pipeline you can measure. Link is in the description. If you want to see how we'd approach your business, book a call. Bye for now.